Alright, so the fix is going to be to put that in here. One there. These aren't here now, but they should be in your unit. When you put these back, don't crank them too hard. They'll crack the post that they go into. The posts can get kind of brittle over time. Okay, the only tricky part to removing the top, you want to turn it over, and you're gonna lift, well, you have to take these two out. These just come out like that. And then you're gonna wanna go like this and then up. So these pop through, and this pops through, and this pops through. So you have to clear this. You're gonna have to go like this. Like that, and then move a little forward, and then you'll clear, and you can set it against something because this will fall. We'll just kind of hold it for now, but then what you're going to want to change is this here, this rubber on the outside. So I'm going to just take that off. And this is held on just by this. So if you want to be careful, you can just pry it. It just comes right off if you go up. Like that. And then this just slides up. So we want to get this off and this on. That's what's causing it to not rewind when it's running. This is making pressure against that, and that's winding the tape. So as this comes up, you'll see this tire moves down. That's how play engages. That comes down like that. So to do this, I usually use a little small screwdriver. Stick it like that, and just kind of pry it off. Take the new piece, and I pry it on. I hope you can see it in the camera. But so I'm just gonna go around, get it on evenly, and make sure that it's flush, and then just put it back in. It'll drop against the gears. Then I get my little retainer piece, and it just pushes in with a little pressure, and now you can see it engages and will hopefully turn that. These end up getting hard and they become slick, so they end up sliding against that. That's why this doesn't turn. So what happens is the tape goes through here. It's pulled by this. That grips the tape, it pulls it through, and this doesn't wind it. So what ends up happening is it doesn't wind and it just keeps pulling tape through and gets all bluey. So this is easy to put back on. I just usually go like this. And there we go. So it's back on. That is obviously the counter. Now to get this back on can be a tad tricky, but you want to kind of float it above, bring it down, angle it a bit, and then make sure this all lines up like that. And then we can put everything back. So let's turn this over. Actually, let's do a quick test. No, that's good. So, yeah, that's about it. Just turn it over, put the screws back, and you should be set to go.